She should come back to her wife. Because them no matter how it is, the person is your wife. You are doing wedding and you say for better for wedding and you put the wedding ring on your head. He shouldn't. I didn't say that he shouldn't mind the pastor. She should mind it, but your wife there, you have to mind your wife.
Merofo mema obi biara kwa abasronko pa de ma wo a wo hwe me sabre e wo tu ma GHS so ebusuafo ebraso edwaso hema Matiasi dwomi didwa na ene de mede abadwa so aye ba beton no ye nyina no ye nim Agradaa eye mama party ne wafanyame na woni ni ku nsensem ebeto o man Ghana mu wo bi a kire na dwen e de fa ho sanse social media ne de se wo ba betena so na wo de won nsem betena ho ka na wa ma obi biara kwan se wontimi nka bi emfa eye sansam ne ho enu nti ne yensu ye ba bedom asuko abawura mu ye mama party kire mu ebra no ye konfo na wo tender TV no ye talking point no edru bra bi a ne kunu eye ne kun a odi na chi an papa odru okranten ebeboa no woni ema bi mu enti wonti ase sa afe ye ne wode ne ho amanyame na nka wo mu nyine beboma ye nyamedwuma no ne kun entu ni na ensi na so dem hoda afe wo sofo okoshe na sini nsu nya no enti ye bisa senti so mama part entwa ne kun na sem so no wanya sore ana se one fight nyini kun san se for better for worse epiem ensem we emu edo mo etwe ho si mapenene na na mo osie wa ha ye ne na ebedom asuko eyi Merofo mesanso emu akwa babiemu edeba too ma GHS so enkomo yi ekoso no ankasa no de opese ubisa esanse ne ye nkomo no ebesesa kakra kire se nana mosi eye obi a ne twi no emu enhyadante enu nti wo beka brofo kakra na waka mosi enti sade atie na busua mo hwame na wonsoso no wabomodin. You kindly send your comments through the comment section. She will answer all your questions for you. So without wasting my time, help me welcome Nana Mosi onto the show. Nana Mosi, you are welcome. Na enyemem ekosen boko yede nyame ase Nana Mosi ene no ye be switch kakra because when I came here I learned that your tree is not that well, so we want to switch to English and then the Mosi for your people to understand you well. I can see something on your hand. What is that?
This one is for we use this one to be tying some people.
Yeah.
Maybe if you are having court
problems, okay.
And now if you are having, maybe if you want a work and you don't get it, we can use this one to tie the person. And now if you are having court problem, we use it
to tie the person.
Tie the person well.
Tying the person, no, is it the company owner or what?
No, this one is for traditional. This one is for medicine.
Okay.
So I'm going to call the person name and be tying it. Call the person name and be tying it. If I tie it, no matter how it is,
you win the case.
Maybe if you want work and the person say no, I will not give you the work. Tomorrow you will go. Tomorrow night you come. I will just, if you give the person name to me,
the manager.
So that if I call the manager name and I will be tying it. If I call the manager name, I'll be tying it. You send your paper. The manager will say, go and do the work.
Hi.
I'm saying, this in your turn on Tarangomna. Can you all zur zalame? Zura to no zalo to a team zure. Your team zura for hunter a court problem. For how to Nandi canyon and Siva Shava. For hunting that a Pumuka Pamne, what? To Tundi Buzura and Siva Shava and Digunko for that bunny of fat yappy. Problem on and solve a mukobo. Nina Bem that to sorry. To China catching what? To Dixukanga on Tuntuma, Uncle Phone, to Tuma you to Uncle Phone.
Viewers, all what Nana Mosi wants to say is if you're having a court case, if you're having some issues related to family, work and everything, you just contact her. She will tie the person for you. If it is a court case, you just bring the case to her. She will tie it. Whatever the case is, you are going to win. If you want a job and then you've been going in and out, the manager is not calling you, just bring the manager's name. She will tie it and then finally you will secure a job. If it's about family issues, you contact her. All the issues related to family, friends, everything. When you contact her, Nana Mosi is going to help you out. Nana Mosi, don't you think it's evil for you to do that?
No, this one is my grandmother who gave it to me. So this one is not evil.
It's not evil.
But
if you want somebody to help you or you need some help from somebody, sometimes you can pray. So why are you tying the person?
This one, you know that this one, my grandmother gave it to me. So nowadays my grandmother is no more there. So the medicine is for me.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to call the person name. You know this rope?
No. What's the name?
This rope is for contembrantem.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use this rope and tie the person name with this thing and be calling it and be tying
it.
Calling it and be tying. The job that you need. You will mention the kind of job that you want and give it to me. So that if I call the person and I call the job name and I'll be tying it. You go, you just call Nana Mosi. Even you build the house for me.
Hey, house! Wow. Nana Mosi, let's get back to business. Looking about Agradaa and her husband's issue, it has become a very trending story in the country. Everybody is sharing their opinion about it. You being a married woman, is it by force to let your husband follow you in everything you are doing?
Yes, because he's my husband. You know nowadays, if you are a woman and you want to look beauty, unless you're married.
Okay.
So if you and your husband is having problem, you know what the meaning of ways that you do and collect your husband back. Don't sit down there and let your husband go. You know if your husband go and leave you, even small boys will come and say they want to marry you. You've been working and they'll be doing you. I mean, you are not a small girl for them. But if you are married, then you know that now Sisia there means to me a nipa.
Wow. No. So does it mean that if you are not married, you are not a human being?
You are a human being, but no, marriage is very important.
Okay.
If you are married, you are different than those who are not married.
Yeah. For that one, I accept. Nana Agradaa, formerly but now Mama Pat, is saying that upon all the suffering and the pain she's going through, her husband is not minding her. Her husband is not giving her attention. So she is telling her husband, wherever he is, now that she is suffering, the husband is nowhere to be found. So when the church becomes bigger, the husband shouldn't dream of coming there. Do you support that idea?
No. For me, I'm not supporting. If the church is bigger, you let your husband come, no matter how it is. It is your husband because he has wedded you and give you a wedding ring. The very day that you two are doing the wedding, you say for better, for worse. So unless you do it, collect your husband. Don't even let somebody even come and say that why are you collecting your husband back? No, she can collect her husband and they will not even talk. You see.
Yeah, looking at Pastor Tre is a very prominent person in Ghana, and Nana Agradaa, formerly but now Mama Pat's husband, has been working with Pastor Tre for quite some long time, and then he sees it to be disappointing leaving Pastor Tre to his wife. So because of that, he is not minding her wife. She's always with Pastor Tre. What are you saying to the husband? Should he come back to Mama Pat or stay with Pastor Tre?
No, she should come back to her wife. Because no matter how it is, the person is your wife. You are doing wedding and you say for better, for well, and you put the wedding ring on your head. I didn't say that he shouldn't mind the pastor. She should mind it, but your wife there, you have to mind your wife. You see.
People are saying that Pastor Ojo Cranton is not a social media type. That is why he hasn't been responding to every comment he sees on social media. Do you think it's the real truth about it?
No. It's not.
So sometimes when people insult her wife, he should come out and then say something. What are you expecting?
She should come out and say something because the person is your wife. You see?
Yeah.
Even if somebody is insulting her Agradaa husband, Agradaa will say something about it.
Sure, for her she will.
So the husband too should do something about her wife. He shouldn't be keep quiet.
So keeping quiet means he doesn't love his wife or what?
Yes, he doesn't love her.
Wow. Ebusuafo he na de nyamsam ketewa sa de tie no ye kwa no. Ai na na mo si wo kire mu a wo se. Pastor kire obi a wo ye sofo ai. Na mama party nsukun so sofo na nso wo ma ware nti for the sake of the marriage nti eyade a won san so mra emedi ne yirechi. Na mo si mama party saying something. She says if her husband is not responding, if her husband is not giving her attention now, when the church becomes bigger and then husband step foot in the church, a second chair. Hey, forgiveness.
Channel. So no one kola, udi chana on kolananti. But if you didn't give your husband because of the children they will not be this.
They will not be happy about it. So for the sake of the marriage and the children, Agradaa should forgive his husband. Okay. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Now, let's move on to the spiritual items here. My fellow viewers are always willing to hear from you. I can see something here. Stop evil. Psalm 35:70. And I can see something in it. I've been shaking it for quite some long time, but it's not missing. Why?
It will not mix.
Why?
Once spiritual.
Okay.
Some people they want spiritual marriage. Some too you will be dreaming bad dreams. That one is spiritual. So this one we can use it to what? To stop evil things.
If you are suffering from spiritual marriage, you can use this oil to stop it for us. Oh, okay.
And you are on the few some before
witches. Okay.
Witches crab mohano. And ni na me be me zams euro. For hangan zam euro wa. Ni na be me the hum to obdi for man to forget zam to form the lam wa. To tunjik bunkang of yam to tun hand man calamity, to tunjikun tuma, to tuma yetun sama uncle phone.
Nana Mosi wants to tell us that stop evil is an oil which will help you refrain from all witches and wizards. Yes, it will help you stop all evil because the name says stop evil. There is a knife in it and then we've been shaking it for quite some long time. It is not mixing, meaning it's very powerful. Nana Mosi, what about this? Please explain this to us.
This one is for this thing, kaji. You use it for your eye. Maybe a lady, you go to your boyfriend's house, the person will not even mind you. You come and I will give you this kaji, and you put it inside your eyes. If you go there, no matter how it is, the boy will call you. Whether she like it or not, she will call you. And tikanga to ntaranyo ya chiro, latin tarini nina beme. And bora rasanga takatuno ni nebe mbotuma to for nothing at obsase. Wadik tikanga, ndikini munifu, ni evandi dozi go burikini munifu, and chenge, rom tarbuning a fan, and andikun conform. Dear for me, Pesam Chiramo say, we no a kaji a duty and yase. Where's we and tuna basabasa, maybe who go even now say my man to Debbie. Maybe no binya sama, and our boyfriend, our pal. Baby over corner say baby over for kaji we two and yase. Now kwa bear mano obey wa two. So kaji and I made it chiramono. They are powerful.
Nana Mosi kaji. Hey, you've been looking for somebody for quite some long time. The person is not giving you attention, especially ladies. Ladies that we've seen big men who are not proposing to us. The immediately you use this kaji on your face. When the guy sees you, he will embrace you. He will hug you and then start providing things for you.
Padlock, this one is contembrantem.
Padlock, contembrantem.
Uwa brochire kura. Ya betuma suma kiwe. Any chain na ye adwuma ma obi wo bitimi gine kunu afiri ne nsa bi wo bitimi gine yire afiri ne nsa bra padlock we ufre wo yiri din ma ya na ya ka padlock no tum na ye de adwuma o yiri nipa na wo fa wo yiri no obehu se maybe no kote betima wu ana obenya yare bia kura ontimi fa nko hospital sa kiwe Juma pam sambi si wari safi kanga to na zalo to po hon dat buni nga fato to ndik safi on tum tum ko fo tun na tum ni na bem to brega siram ba ni na bem ti do gol wari ga pata gom thalen ka tim ka me na mano sobe wa tun pa so ba tun ham pa woto ndik safi on tum tuma ndik cheni kanga ko fo yelo hon data so fanti tum ko fo nan tuma.
Wow. Nana Mosi, all what she wants to say is this thing is called contemporary. If someone is cheating on your wife, someone is using your wife for free, and you've been buying graphic for people to read. No, this is contemporary. When you use it, you just say your husband's or your wife's name on it, and then they will lock it. They will use it against the person, and then your wife will come back to you. That is contemporary. Wow. Yikimzuru. What is the function of it?
Bueno, kwatindindi. Obi wo ne ba da. Kwatino yi. Bueno ye de maw. Aduro ye de be maw wa hia no. Une ba ne be da no. Ana wo betima titi wo ho. Na wo dia ye de Wo bo wo to se pano. Na wo kwatini ye de woro eba. Kwatini be woro eba sad. Opese ye strong so ni nyina duro ye wobi ye wa diabetes ye wa hypertension ye wa stroke ye wa stretch marks ye wa big butt opese o tuya kase abra bi wo stretch mark gunu ho bra obi wo so wa koko bi wo white hano mbema white mbaso white bi wuro peto ukodun so na ya bra obi wo wani dane bra obi wa onya wo brani nyina duro Nana Mosi wobi odi mamo.
Nana Mosi, all the things you are saying, I want you to say it in Mosi for the people to hear you well. So
go back to the yikumzu nya me nim tutun yeti yikumzu fo no pa han la amne se te pa men wo ye fo tu yiki lo ba yikumzu para no ye fo tu fo yiki fo dat na chin time ni nga fa wa dik tima man wana ntu yusi yikumzu ya team ya ti song pa le ya pa fo tun ya abra men dik tima manana on kotondo to american song dunizanga fo mbe duni wa dini nga fa ham bol ton bala tun nandika tima sen fa ambe na sa tingo tima na wa pa ma fo mbe fa ambe Ghana o Burkina o Togo o dini nga fa fo mbe fa bol ton limura bala fa pa ma ton
yikim what zugu yikim zugu viewers yikim zugu yeah. If you are a man and then you are suffering from small penis, my brother, this era we don't suffer from small penis, so yes. So contact Nana Mosi for Yikimzuru. Yes, he's going to Yikimzugu, and he's going to help you. For this one, it's very simple. You just hit your butt and then it starts coming. Powerful. I can see some beats here. What about that too?
This one is write a letter.
Write a letter.
Obet shrama. Bueno, kai me see the letter. We check.
Sign check.
This one is for sign check. One says see an man
I tell you.
Who bet 10 pesos crowd on mount. So when sign check no. Udi tama we udi be show sisi. Msambi si tantan kanga latun bonti sign check kwa. Pahanda tanturo tumbuninga fan ko fondi kanta na siane lo gomfo nda tubuninga fandi kumarana nini fahanta anungamo akanungo anamana ona anazindi kunkonfo forata zako forata loro forata ligiro dik tantana ni muselo manana lo chenge fonda tubuninga fan na tumama.
Nana Mosi, but this beat is very small, so how can you put it on your waist?
This one is small, but if you want it, this one is for herbal. I'm going to show it, but if you need it, I can give you the one that you cross your
fits you. Okay.
But this one that camera, I can't take that one and come and show you. This one is herbal, so that's why I'm using the small one.
Okay. Lovely viewers, Nana Mosi wants to say that this is called sign check. If you are staying with a man and the man is very stingy, all you need to contact Nana Mosi. She's going to get you sign check. Immediately you put this on your waist. Whether $10,000 your boyfriend is going to give you, 100 million naira he is going to send you because the name explains itself. Sign check. Let's go to a different one.
And this one I'm having white. You know nowadays men are suffering white, women are suffering.
Eh.
The white too, you can if you and the white even will let you will not get what feelings.
White.
White.
Really?
You can't get feelings. So you come and buy Nana Mosi herbal traditional. This one is herbal. It's not for drugstore. This thing. This one is herbalist. It's for white. Men too, you see them the penis. You see small rashes. You be itching. You go to funeral, you can't sit down. You scrub your penis and if you're a woman too, maybe every day you be heating hot water. Hot water today, your penis will be enlarged. No matter how you be putting the hot water,
it will enlarge itself.
So come and take this one. Obi also who raw peter. Ube who say peter no color na besesa.
Jesus.
Eya white na adana brown. Be fana na mosi white duro no. Be ma bi wa okodru so this was so no got na be for 5 minutes and sound on hoto no. Eya ni ya do so no so ba na ba kiti endoso. Mesrao msambi si wari ko white tima ni na bemta white kasomeye. Ni na bemtu ya ayaro a funa nyemtu nor bi tofoyora. Double mame ni na bem nan dure ti zabre wadi white watima da zinin bahti white nam supo ni na bem tinye na pa fatare wa hananda funa da yinda pa de na lo pomera furina am passe ndik tinyam fa tu mura fomo ya katinyu tu pa ka nyu yam fa na nyumi manona.
Powerful. Viewers, white. If you are a lady and you are suffering from white, if you are a man and you are suffering from white, don't hesitate to get this medicine. It's going to help you. It will be very shameful for a nice lady to be scratching herself outside in public. People will be giving you all sorts of names and it's not going to help you. So kindly purchase one and it will give you rest. Wow.
On say obi wo chokra nte so akola kito wo epilepsy penyini so wo twa.
Okay.
Otimi kwanipa doma wo be wa kikikiki monjwana na wa twa eya nungu asiyare twa de eya nungu asiyare bra obi wo akola kito na wo twa penyini kro uti wo na kim bra. My brother, my sister, don't sit down there and let PLC disgrace you. Come and take the medicine and go and use it. Sambisi, tinchiri, yanyan bara. Tinchiri me yanyan bara. Wari tinchiri team. Tunu me tima ya tunu yabra mandik tima wana unguli tunu latu mendi kunguli yama. Da zinu mbati tinchiri sama zake. Pona tinchin tubeta tinchiri luitan wata tiri yikuze. Tubzolo bafo for me kami po mana sawa. Tubzolo bafo me miki abara. Wa diknambo mboltuno fa ham boltuno fo mbezini fa fatara stroke bara fatara hepatitis B fatara chabra bani a stretchment farata chiraptim farata yo bere team wa bonda team ninga fa chape boltin limoro tunandika team manwana mbunko fo bena satenga team na pa ma fo meti fatiri ro team fo mbezini nga fa. Now,
let me ask you one question about the epilepsy stuff. No, some are saying say you can inherit from somebody. Is that true?
It's true.
How?
Or maybe the person is having it and she will shit. You know, if the scent enter you and your blood is fast, you can get it.
Oh. Even if the person is not your relative,
you can get it.
Okay. There is Pastor Spiritual Eyes. Wow. I'm very interested in this medicine, so try to explain further.
Pastor Spiritual Eyes. Who say pastor be brace? Sia obi wa ko na asore dan a nipa ndoso. Udi we no eye ni ye na edi be ma wo. Ukaya nipa doma wo benya no enya asam kitwa. Msambi si nyoya nini your spiritual this name to tunandi kunkufum for 100 and ne wusu to what for us or report for me pam ne daily warik tuntima and money.
Nana Mosi, God bless you so much. Pastor Spiritual Eyes. Viewers, if you want to get more insights about this herbal medicine, kindly get in touch with Nana Mosi on her mobile money or your mobile phone. Yeah, give them your number again.
Okay, the number is 054-393-64648. The number again is 054-93-64648.
So that is your mobile phone, not your mobile money number. Oh, okay. Viewers, if you want to get more, you can call her and then she will give you more. And through this conversation, if you have something you want to ask her, kindly drop your comment through the comment section. Nana Mosi is here to answer every question you give. Time is fast spent. You would like to end the show. Nana Mosi, we are ending this show. I want you to give your final words to viewers.
Atiefoɔ mekyia obiara deɛ ɔbɛfa number no deɛ wopɛ bia duro bia wopɛ minka sɛ me yare we maybe me manka saa yare na duro aye ade ɛkyira wontimi frɛ number no yare bia ofrɛ me number na mbetimi adi number na yɛ de ama aduro na ma so yare bia over hypertension, diabetes, stroke obi ya wade a wo maybe wopɛ adwuma wopɛ sɛ wokɔnya uju kunu kiri obi nsa bra nema bebre ewa ye boa amanfo so oba so a obehu se Nana Mosi ampa anokre na maame ne ye de eka no.
When I came here, I saw one lady who looks just like you. Are you twins?
We are twins.
Wow.
We are twins too. We are man and
a woman. Okay.
So my twin brother today, she didn't come here.
Yes, so the one I saw was your sister. Oh, okay.
My brother. So I've sent her to go and take some medicines for me. That's why today she didn't come to me here. It's only me. So any day, any time that you call the number, maybe my twin brother will pick the call. And the evening too, you can do WhatsApp voice message and give it to me. Me too, I will answer you.
Viewers, as you can see, Nana Mosi has said it all, and then we are live on all the social media platforms here. Your host for today is Agradaa. Thank you.